Good morning dear students. This is Nitin Garg, your IT teacher. Students, last week I had sent a video related to Unit 3rd Digital Documentation, Chapter 4 Introduction to Word Processor. Now I am going to continue the Chapter 4 Introduction to Word Processor in Part 2 video tutorial. This is Part 2 video tutorial. In Part 2 video tutorial, I am going to cover the below topics. First one is creating a document. Next is saving a document. Third one is open an existing document. Next topic is cursor and mouse pointer. Next is saving a document using password protection. How we can apply a password on our document or on our file. Next is setting a password to modify a Word document. Next topic is closing a document, and the last one is exiting the Word application. Right, students, I had already explained you about the word processor. What is a word processor? A word processor is an application software which is capable of creating, editing, saving and printing a document, which I have already explained you in the part 1 video. Now I am taking the new topic. First topic is creating a document. Before starting the topic, I want to tell you that students, watch the mouse pointer properly so that you can easily understand the concepts, practically in a better way. Now let's start the topic, creating a document. How we can create a new document? To create a new document, click onto the File tab and then select New option from the Available Templates section. This is the Available Templates section. From here, click onto the blank document and then select Create tab. This is the blank document will be created. New document will be created. This is the first method. Second method to create a new document is by using the shortcut key combination from the keyboard. Press the Ctrl plus N key combination from the keyboard to create a new document. Now new document will be created and the name of the file is document2. In that way we can create a new document. Next topic is saving a document. Saving a document means if you want to use your document in future, you must save your document as a file on the hard disk. Right? So there are several ways to save a document. First one is click onto the File tab and then select Save option. This is the Save As dialog box, right? And this is the navigation pane. From the Save As dialog box, here the navigation pane will be displayed. We have to select the location of the file from the navigation pane. Where you want to save your file. You can save your file on desktop or on documents folder, on downloads folder, or you can save your file on C drive, D drive, E drive or F drive. You can select any location. Right, I am selecting here desktop and then delete this file name, type a new name, any desired name. I am writing here class 9th chapter 4. This is the file name and then location of the file is desktop and then click on save button. The file will be saved with class 9th chapter 4 name. This is the first method to save a file. Second method to save a file is by using the shortcut key combination. I am typing here introduction. Shortcut key combination. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus S, as all of you know very well, to save a file. This is the Save As dialog box and then you can again select the location of the file where you want to save your file, on desktop or on any drive, D drive, E drive or F drive. In that way you can save your file and then type the file name here and then click onto the save button. Third method to save your file is click onto the save button on quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar, customize quick access toolbar. Click on to the save button. Again save as dialog box will be displayed. Again you have to follow the same steps to save the file. Select the file, location of the file, type the file name here and then click on to the save button. In that way you can save your file, right? Next topic is saving a document using password protection. Students, sometimes you want to protect your file so that others cannot view it. Others cannot view the data, right? In that case, we use the password protection. We can apply the password on our file. How we can apply the password? Just look. First of all, click onto the file tab and then select save as option. The save as dialog box will be displayed, right? This is the tools tab. Click onto the drop down arrow of the tools tab and then select general option. This is the general option dialog box. From here we have two fields, password to open and password to modify. Password to open means we have to apply the password here to open the file. I am giving the password here 1 2 3 4 5 6 password to open and then click on OK. Re-enter password to open means confirm the password again. Confirm password window. Again password. Again enter the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. OK. And then click on to the save button. Right. Password will be applied. Close this window and then just look. Open that window. Open that file. Enter the password here 1 2 3 4 5 6. In that way you can apply the password and no one can see your data. Sometimes you have the important documents that you don't want to see anyone, so that you can apply the password. Next topic is setting a password to modify a Word document. How we can apply the password to modify a Word document? Again click onto the file tab, select save as option. Again go to the tools tab and then select general option. This is the password to modify field. Write the password here. I am writing here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then click on OK. First of all, what is the meaning of password to modify? Password to modify means you can set a password to allow others to modify the document. Means others also can modify your document. You can give that password to others also to make the modifications in your document. Click on OK. This is the confirm password dialog box. Re-enter password to modify. Enter the password again to modify the document. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the password. OK. And then click on save. Close the file. Open the file again, Word. Then it will ask the password. Enter password to open the file. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the password to open the file. And then again it will ask the password to modify. Enter password to modify. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the modification password. Click on OK. In that way you can open your file. You can apply the password. But if you want to remove the passwords, repeat the steps again to remove the password. Click onto the file tab, select save as option. The save as dialog box will be displayed. Go to the tools tab, select general options and then delete the password from here. Password to open and password to modify and then click on OK. Click onto the save button. Close the file. Again open the file. It will not ask any type of password because we have removed the password. Right. So in that way we can apply the password or remove the password. Next topic is open an existing document. How we can open an existing document? First of all, what is the meaning of existing document? Once the document which you have saved in your computer, you can retrieve that document any time. Means you can open an existing document anytime. You can open any file which you have already saved in your computer. How we can open an existing document? Just look at here. Click onto the file tab and then select open option. Right. Select the location from where you want to open. I am selecting here desktop. From the desktop, select any MS Word file. This is the Word file, class 9th IT part 6 fundamentals of computer, which I have already created on our computer or saved on our computer. Select the file and then click on open. The file will be, existing file will be opened in front of you. Right, in that way we can open the existing file. Next method to open an existing file is press the Ctrl plus O key combination from the keyboard. Again, this is the open dialog box. Open dialog box will be displayed. Now I am selecting the eDrive documents folder and then select any MS Word file. From here I am selecting class 9th IT unit 2 session 1 open. This is the file. Third method to get the open dialog box is by using the shortcut key again. Shortcut key is Ctrl plus F12 to get the open dialog box. This is the open dialog box. Again you can select the location, select the drive and then select the file from here and then click onto the open button. So these are the different ways to open an existing file. Next is closing a document. To close a Word document, click onto the File tab and then select the Close option. But if you have saved all the changes made in the document, then the Word document closes immediately. If you have already saved all the changes, I am here clicking onto the Close button, the file will be closed. But if you have made the changes and you have not saved, suppose I am typing here computer. Now I have made the changes and then I want to close the Word document. Click onto the File tab and then select Close option. Right, it will display the message MS Word window. Do you want to save changes you made to class 9th IT part 6 fundamentals of computer? These are the three options: save, don't save and cancel. Save means the document is saved and then closed. Don't save means your document will not be saved and all the modifications since the last saved are lost. All the modifications will be lost. No modifications will be saved. And cancel means nothing happens and you return to the document. I am clicking onto the cancel button. Nothing happens. I will return here on the document to the document. Next topic is exiting the Word application. Exiting means you can close the Word window by using the following ways. How we can exit the Word window? Click onto the File tab and then select Exit option. Save and then exit. You will exit from the document, from the Word window. Again I am opening any Word window. Next method to close the Word window is click onto the Close button. Where is the Close button? Here. This is the Close button located at the top right corner of the application window. You can close the file from here. Close the Word window from here. Again I am opening that file. Right. Next method to close the Word window is by using the shortcut key combination Alt plus F4. Your document will be closed. So that's it for today, students. Chapter 4, it is completed. Just you have to do the practical on your desktop or laptop. Thanks. Have a nice day.